Push-ups are awesome. They build strength. They make you fit. You can do them anywhere. No gym needed. Push-ups work many muscles. You get stronger in your chest, shoulders, and arms. They even work your core. This makes you stronger for everyday activities. Want better posture? Push-ups can help. They strengthen your back and core muscles. This helps you stand tall and feel confident. Ready to get started? Let's learn how to do the perfect push-up. Before you start push-ups, find a good spot. You need a clear space on the floor. A yoga mat can make it more comfortable. Hand placement is important. Place your hands shoulder-width apart. Your fingers should point forward. Your hands should be flat on the floor. Warm up your wrists. Make circles with your wrists. This gets them ready for action. Now you're ready to learn the proper push-up form. Start in a plank position. This is the foundation of a perfect push-up. Ensure your body is aligned from head to toe, creating a straight line. Imagine a rod running from the top of your head to your heels. Your body should be straight. No sagging or arching of the back. Engage your core muscles to maintain this position. This not only helps in achieving the correct form, but also prevents injuries, like a plank of wood. Visualize yourself as a sturdy, unbendable piece of wood. This mental image can help you maintain the correct posture throughout the exercise. Your hands are shoulder-width apart. This provides a stable base and ensures that your shoulders are properly aligned with your wrists. Your toes are on the floor. They act as the pivot point for your body. Keep them firmly planted to maintain balance. Lower your body by bending your elbows. Control the descent to avoid any sudden drops. This engages your muscles more effectively. Keep your elbows close to your body. This reduces strain on your shoulders and focuses the effort on your chest and triceps. Go down until your chest touches the floor. This ensures a full range of motion, maximizing the benefits of the exercise. Push back up to the starting position. Use a controlled motion to engage your muscles effectively. Use your chest and arm muscles. Keep your core engaged. This not only helps in maintaining balance, but also strengthens your core. This helps you stay stable. That's one perfect push-up. Consistency and form is key to building strength and avoiding injuries. Now let's make sure you're not making any common mistakes. Avoid flaring your elbows out, sagging your hips, or letting your head drop. Correct these to ensure a safe and effective workout. Section 4. Oops! Common mistakes and how to fix them. In this section, we'll dive into some of the most common mistakes people make when doing push-ups and how to correct them. Push-ups are a fantastic exercise, but only if done correctly. Many people make mistakes with push-ups. These mistakes can lead to ineffective workouts or even injuries. It's crucial to be aware of these errors so you can avoid them and get the most out of your push-up routine. Don't worry, we'll fix them. With a few simple adjustments, you can improve your form and make your push-ups more effective and safer. One common mistake is sagging hips. This happens when your core isn't engaged, causing your hips to drop towards the floor. Keep your core tight to avoid this. Engaging your core muscles helps maintain a straight body line and prevents your hips from sagging. Imagine a straight line from head to heels. This visualization can help you maintain proper alignment throughout the movement. Another mistake is flaring elbows. When your elbows flare out to the sides, it puts unnecessary strain on your shoulders. Keep your elbows close to your body. This protects your shoulders and ensures that you're using the correct muscles. Head position matters too. Don't look down, look straight ahead. This keeps your neck in line with your spine. Proper head and neck alignment is crucial for preventing strain and maintaining overall form. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll have perfect push-ups. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep working on your form and soon you'll be doing push-ups like a pro. Section 5. Level up your push-ups. Push-ups are a fantastic exercise for building upper body strength, but they can be challenging for beginners. Don't worry, we've got you covered with a step-by-step guide to help you progress. Can't do a regular push-up yet? No problem. Start with wall push-ups. Stand facing a wall about an arm's length away. This is a great way to build strength without putting too much pressure on your joints. Place your hands on the wall at shoulder height. Make sure your hands are shoulder-width apart to maintain proper form and avoid injury. Do your push-ups against the wall. Keep your body straight and engage your core. Ready for more challenge? Try incline push-ups. This variation will help you transition to regular push-ups. Place your hands on a bench or step. The incline reduces the amount of body weight you need to lift. making it easier than a standard push-up, but harder than a wall push-up. This makes it a bit harder. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and lower your chest to the bench. For a real challenge, try decline push-ups. This variation increases the difficulty by shifting more weight to your upper body. Place your feet on a bench. The higher your feet, the more challenging the push-up. Make sure to keep your core tight and your body in a straight line. This puts more weight on your upper body, making it a great way to build strength in your shoulders and chest. Push-ups can be modified for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or advanced, there's a push-up variation for you. Experiment with different types to keep your workouts interesting. Find your level and start pushing. Remember, consistency is key. The more you practice, the stronger you'll become. Keep practicing and you'll get stronger. You can do it. Stay motivated and keep challenging yourself. Your hard work will pay off.